asem anani pantie arrogance and the dear duru baby a
Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice, right on Ghana Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. You know, Sam because well, thank you to no I between Honorable Kennedy Japan and Honorable Abronye. Now, it's gotten mixed reactions and a lot of people are talking. But this is what I think. And I'll plead with you that you listen to me. Where Ghana is right now, baby, Ghana won, is not a good place. A lot of people are feeling disappointed. A lot of people are feeling dejected. A lot of people are feeling hopeless. Because say na mu feel say na mu feel say John Mahama, His Excellency, Amemu Baba Yeno, Enye Enu, Ena, Eko Sesi Amene Ukase. Minu Ukase, Okatechi Afrifa, any youths be brave. Almost a mundo mufie for 3 days. Adenya, Esan say, Insio, I will mine munisio no say. Say, na say so nipa nkofo mo aban mu no. Omo na mudi omo na obi ambese omo na mo promise yes omo ba ben mu a ade akufo don timi nye AyEka declare state of emergency ne bani all mining activities no omo mbebeye within 120 days and na me no kasa is Excellency Mahama o amemu more than 120 days onya declare
reading ha mo say me 2 me 9 ko single constituency akọ ka kire obi say yanto aba ma candidate bi mu wuye mo amene mo tena da mu kura di mo nsa me fro obi se to aba my particular candidate but the binum de me din call ye campaign wie ye no omo wie ye no na ma konkran Abronye no na agiba omia campaign ayere ba no kura ne se omo ba mo ho campaign omo se Abronye na soma mo omo se Abronye na soma se ye me ye campaign ko meboa yesa mo di ho adanse ye se ma miema no amfro obi a sankrofo no so omo ye asade medin ba yero etena ombeba mo ho but this time no omaye ma me buafu na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem ukodi do obi atem wie na so wie a wo se yankoye a unity I mean sa unity no eye ayi mo ana mo kreti Professor Makwe report o se ye kwa abato a ensema ye ka no eno na no andisi fo ye re eyusutie na mom wo ya propaganda no obi be yi ano dia entena social media say who didn't panatem na wi a wa bakasa memfa wadamfo media. I'm telling you the truth obi anye be man obia but party nti enipa bi tumi kasa te so mo member o mo nye member e ba contributions ye nyisika o mo tumi be mo kosesere and they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet, some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because Bam Fia Kura Ufadi. If you were talkers, Maomo, and Barum be too long. You see, your Panokura, Mumianka, I will not respect you. But may respond to anybody. And yes, I can go showdown. Enipa bi akoma wosoro ekasa ye pememo party mu yankomo ye ma minisa wosika minsire sika mu hiafo promusu mu dibi kasa kokugudro so ne ania sika fo please who born dog number timi atokure ne how who born dog number timi atokure ne how kukuru Sisi ya dunu sono onenso 2023 presidential elections no o contest bi yeni ya die nyina peku transport
state of emergency ni ye li ko also be repeal ko o se on repeal biom etin sembe bre wo ho a ha Ghana for necessary no we Ghana ni bia na so wo Ghana no you have a choice to make between two things. Either somebody decided say John Mahama ever visit you and I say Sam George in visit you. I didn't mean to me choose only back. Say John Mahama visit you and say we light bedroom. Now what data? Data don't dey be Juma Kama, network be Juma Kama. But say ope say Sam George visit you and the light be also ba only data. Data na enye Juma data no so you same boat. Say you same boat. Na sa. Tin sem be brave why ha Ghana for. Sem be brave. Ye free education ye ho so. They say go for junior high school price here go 500 700. Senior high school for they say e ma omo tua ska. Na Ghana for be brave na go for am go to aba no. Omo regret it. Omo no omo pa. Omo am go to so omo no omo. But omo ntimi kasa sense boy obi anim say one way or the other why mistake. Ebia okoko to aba no man pipi ankan na enkobase. Enti omo ntimi ba bontin be ka say o ye wu and I say way. But they are quiet and they are observing say where would their help come from? And they know that their help can only come from the New Patriotic Party, NPP. So this is really not the time for settling personal scores and internal scores. This is the time to say, I know you have not done me good, but I forgive you. This is the time to say, I know we might not be on the same page, we might not be in the same camp, but by any means possible, any legal means possible, NPP must come back to the rescue of Ghanaians in 2028. And this goes beyond any individual's interest, any individual's ego. This goes beyond any individual's personal achievement they want to achieve. The way forward for the New Patriotic Party remains unity. Without unity, we won't get anywhere. We ain't heading anywhere. And we cannot be united with the way things are currently. We are headed in the wrong direction. The very purpose for which we are doing the thank you tour, the very purpose for which Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has extended the hand of invite to other opponents to join on the thank you tour, in this direction that we are headed, we are wasting time. We are wasting our own precious time. And we are becoming a laughing stock to the NDC, which is sad. And so let's calm heads, cool heads prevail. And I'm so much happy that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia once again has showed leadership by reconciling Honorable Kennedy Japan and Abronye DC. We pray that we will be measured moving forward for the rest of the thank you tour. And then we will go into Congress and elect a flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. Hopefully, that flag bearer will be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.